How to add account on 1xBet. Open your 1xBet app. Wait for it to load. At the popular page, you'll see different buttons and features such as different sports, esports, casino, 1x games, live games that you can place your bet on and so much more. At the top, you'll see two buttons, which is login and registration. If you already have 1xBet account, then you don't need to register, just click login button and make sure that your login details are saved to your device for easier login process. If you don't have an account yet, then click the registration button to register. Now, to add account on 1xBet, click login button. You can log into your account using your email ID or username and password. And to add account, you can select your other social media platforms account. In this tutorial, I use my Twitter account to log in and to add account. Wait for it to load. Then it will direct you to a website and will ask for your permission to authorize 1xBet to access your account. Click the sign in button and let it load until it'll take you to the homepage of 1xBet app. That's all, thank you.